Okay, welcome to the Henkel booth here at IPC APEX. I'm joined by Mark Currie. He's the Business Development Manager for Solder Products. Nice to see you, Mark.
Lovely to meet you too. Thanks for coming to town today.
Yeah. Now, of course, a couple of years ago, Henkel launched a very successful product called GC10, which really meant Game Changer 10. It turned out to be so as well, didn't it?
That's correct.
So I believe you're now launching the basic successor to that, which is the GC18.
That's correct, yes. The GC18 is one of our most versatile products we brought onto the market, and it's trying to address even more of the industry trends we see out there. And I think one of the things we all see at the moment is how can we improve our reliability or perceived reliability on finished assembly.
Right.
And I think one of the things we've recently noticed for the past 10 years or so is X-rays become more prevalent everywhere. And people look at everything under a microscope. So one of the things we found out is the large QFNs in the industry were always giving lots of people challenges, and people really didn't have a standard bearer to go with, apart from a component, the BGA. So everybody wanted.
Right.
Go ahead.
Right. So what are you talking about? Are you talking about voiding under these devices?
Exactly.
Yeah?
So voiding is the key thing we were driving towards in terms of revelation in the industry. So those large QFNs, the 10 by 10, 12 by 12 components, where test vehicles have these on. Yep. Not necessarily on all production lines, but it was a go, no-go decision point. So what we try to do is to try and create a new material which will be beneficial on the large QFNs, and as you drive the technology in the worst case scenario, it helps improve all the attributes as well on the product performance as well.
Right.
Not just on printing, but on reflow and then potentially reliability as well.
Reliability, okay. And it helps to reduce voiding.
That's correct. So all we did was basically we tried to help the customers in the industry realize their dreams of trying to get the void levels down to less than 20% on the large QFNs, and that drives down to less than 10, and so on the smaller QFNs too, and then go down way beyond the requirements of the IPC classification for the BGAs as well.
Right.
But with the game-changing technology, it's still there, the temp stability. We still make sure the power and the flux still stay non-reactive with the temperature on the production line, so customers get the improved sustainability.
Right, so they get the 6-month pot life and everything else?
They get the 6-month pot life at room temperature. Yes, we do temperature stability at 26.5 and 30 and 40 Celsius as well. Not the same timelines, but they're still temperature stable, so a customer will get that opportunity to not worry about the supply chain, but also not to worry so much about the temperature and humidity on the production lines also.
Right, great. Okay, well, that sounds another excellent product. Why do you call it GC18?
Oh, well, our marketing campaign, we wanted to keep the same platform, and they wanted to use since we're around about the Chinese New Year, bring the number 8 in for Chinese good luck. So hence the reason the 8 appeared. So same platform, just coincide with the Chinese New Year as well.
Well, I hope it brings you the same luck as the GC10 did, Mark. Thank you for joining us.
Appreciate it. Thanks a lot for your help, and thanks for your support today.
Thank you.